Ayan, ayan. Sound. Meron ba to? Sound check. Meron ba to, guys? Ayan. So, Ivan, or Kuya Ivan, nakuha ko na yung basics. And yung 1, 2, 3, 4, flam. Um, Actually, hindi ko pa nakuha yung flam. Pero kaya nyo na yun. Basically, yung flam is, ano nyo lang. Brog. Basically, yung flam is, ano nyo lang. Gamitin nyo sa as accent. So, or, actually, marami kang pwedeng gawin sa flam. Depende sa'yo yun. So, as you, ito lang, san, so, personally, san ba ako nag-grow sa drums? Kasi, we all started with somewhere, and that somewhere is the beginner lessons, 'di ba? Beginner notes. Ito ako, guys. Ito yung ginagawa ko noon. So, ayan. So, sige. Let's start with the flam. So, basically, when learning a rudiment, i-apply mo agad siya sa kit. So, paano natin siya ma-apply sa song? I-contextualize natin para kumabit siya sa song, 'di ba? So mangyayari is for example, meron isang certain feel na nakuha ko kay Christian Bores na nag-stuck pa rin siya sa akin up to date, up to right now. So nag-stuck pa rin siya na yun pa rin ginagawa ko. So as accent, like a big filler na madaling gawin. So ito siya. So, you can be creative sa pag-flam. Tsaka yun yung feel, 'di ba? So, in context nun, yung specific song na yun is Lost Without You. So, nasa MOA Arena siya. I think Unashamed 2017 siya. So, conference na Victory Church. So, nangyari is it's a big feel. So, ang context ng song is pre-chorus. There is no one like you. There is one above you. There is no one like you. Tapos may big one above you. So, syempre, iniba ko na yun. So, like, ayun. So, up to date, it's still stuck with me. So, ayun. So, kailan ko siya laging ginagamit? Pag big. Like, big. Actually, when it comes to chops, fills, kahit ano man tawag mo dyan, it's just, putting it in proper placement. So, actually, very helpful yung sinabi ni Victor Wooten. In context, in context, sa drums. So, like, anong nangyari is, sabi niya, I just need, yun ba yung idea nun?
All the notes are right. But it's the context that makes it right, not the pitch.
Sa pagkakaalala ko, ang idea ata nun is like, you just need context. Or like, ang point niya is, Kasi sa bass siya. So ang point niya is hindi siya ano, hindi siya, wala siyang perfect pitch. Wala siyang ang tawag dun? Wala siyang wala like ang kailangan niya lang context. So hindi niya alam yung key pala, yun yung sabi niya. So ayan, very helpful siya. And I think when learning a song, you just need context. So how do we learn? How do we actually learn? So nakita ko tong thing na to sa internet. Sabi niya how do we learn something? So sabi niya, actually 2 videos 'yon. Yung isang video sabi niya easy actually yung title ng YouTube channel niya. Sabi niya how to be smart. Yung isa how to learn, yung isa how to be smart. Pero mas gusto ko tong how to be smart. Kasi ang sabi niya, to be smart is to actually apply it on something. So, ngayon, ang dilemma is, baka wala kang drum set. Ako, for 10 years, wala akong drum set. So, saan ako natuto? So, in-apply ko lang, actually, yun yung method 2 niya. Kung wala kang pag-applyan, i-really apply mo somewhere. Kahit maghiram ka ng drum set. So, most of my drumming years, currently, I mean like, on the past, so, most of my drumming years, anong nangyari is, ano lang siya, ano nangyari? Tumutugtog ako sa church. Doon ko na-apply. Dito sa church mismo. In serving the Lord. So, ayun. So, it's a good journey. Ayan siya. Tapos, yung isa, how do we actually learn? Ito na yung psychological technique. So, yung psychological technique, ang sabi niya, in 20 hours. So, you just need to do something in 20 hours. So, basically, you just, for example, magla-learn ka ng song. So, in 20 hours, ila-learn mo siya. So, feel free na makorek yung sarili mo. Yun yung point A niya. Ang nag-stuck sa akin is sabi niya, in learning something, it's not an intellectual thing eh. It's more of an emotional thing. So sabi ko, oh, that's new. Siguro, we just get frustrated. We just get a lot na parang, okay, kailangan kong ano. Then we got, in gamer terms, tilted. We got angry. We get sad with ourselves na, ay, hindi ko natutunan ko, guys. Or someone tells you na, ang pangit ng gawa mo. Maybe like that. Pero, I think art can be a safe space to self-express. Ako, I self-express to just, give glory to God na ito yung gift ni God eh. So, ayun siya. So, how do we actually learn a feel? We learn it by slowly and surely. So, slowly and surely, so, ano bang ginagawa ko nung una? Ayan na lang. Sige, let's start with that. Ano lang yung ginagawa ko nung before ako like, I'm not saying advanced ako mag-drums. I'm just saying na marami akong natutunan. Ayun lang siya. Hindi siya, oh my gosh, level 20 na si Ivan. Oh, ako level 1. So, ayun. So, basically, ang rami ko lang natutunan and ina-apply ko siya. So, ano bang ginagawa ko nun? I think, nag-peak sa akin was, ano bang year yan? Dance in Freedom. So, sa Victory Worship, may song called Dance in Freedom. So, sobrang bilis niya. So, ang raming feels na pwedeng gawin, ang raming Pero, to actually learn something is to just apply it. So ano ba yung Dance in Freedom? 150 BPM, 4/4. Yun muna. G4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi nag-hold back, hindi nag-hesitate. Ayan siya. So, ayun, try natin. Diba? So, ako, medyo sa ulo ko na eh. So, ano bang ginagawa ko nun talaga? So, ang ginagawa ko is sulat sa paper. For example, verse 1. Weird ng hawak eh. Wait. Ayan. Ayan. So, verse 1. Ayan. So, hindi na hold back. Bass drum. Kick lang. Did not hesitate. Give is life for us. Tapos, pwede ka mag-spice, mag-sprinkle ng hi-hats. So, it goes like this. Wait. Intro pala yun. Teka lang. Wait. Ulitin ko. So, dun tayo sa verse 1. Sorry. Intro yun. So yun yung verse 1. Sabi ko sprinkle. Lahat ginawa kong 16th note. Anyway. Ayan. So, anong next? Verse 1, pre-chorus. Toms. Wait lang. Ayan. Through him we took God overcome. Jesus, your life. Ayun. So next is chorus na. Duh. Sige. So sabihin natin verse 2 pre-chorus, chorus. So basically it's just knowing kung ano yung fundamentals ng song and kahit actually ito yung magandang quote na natutunan ko sa Valorant, nag-plug-in ng Valorant. Kay Buhujin, sabi niya, you don't need to learn if you'll just copy. So, mas simple yun. Mas simpleng approach if you'll just copy. Pero, copying, hindi ko sinabing madali, okay? There's the difference between madali and, yeah. So, hindi siya madali. Pero, at least, marami kang sources. What I mean also with that is marami kang sources. So, kay Christian Boris din, meron siyang meron siyang audition. Flashy audition nga yun eh. Ang like, super wild, super good. Link. Link. Ayun. So, sige, chorus tayo. So, ano ba yung chorus? Disco beat. So, disco beat, mabilis na disco beat, 150 BPM eh. So, you have two methods there. Either open hats or classic disco. So, may close and open siya. Sige, demonstrate ko. So, pre-chorus tayo. Nang bulabog na sa tutorial. What the heck? Ayan. So, ayun. Sige. Let's say, dahil same composition ng verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, dali na natin siya like as verse other section. So, yung next section natin is verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus. Then, dalhin natin sa bridge. Okay? Actually, magkaiba yung Actually, wait. Hold on. Ako currently hindi ko pa natutunan. Oh, this is a good this is a good opportunity na try natin matutunan yung verse 2. Kasi yung verse 2 is hindi siya ang alam ko noon ang alam ko noon is something like this. Which is to literally copy is something like, sige, lagay ko lang yung video. So something like that hindi ko siya totally ma-explain. Pero actually, it's a good opportunity to show you how I would learn, 'di ba? So I'm not saying I'm an expert in learning. Tandaan nyo guys, hindi ako expert dito. Pero I can teach you my methods, one of my ways. Kung paano ko na-handle. Sige. Verse 2, try natin siya matutunan. Tsaka yung thought, makikita nyo yung raw thought process regarding this. Sige, try natin. Ayun. So I think to shorten the time, I think nakikita niyo yung hints kung kailan nakukuha ko. So basically, ayun siya. So nakita niyo yung buong method. Hindi na buo ngayon. Sorry ah. Hindi na buo ngayon. Pero nakikita niyo yung hints kung paano siya nabubuo. So in time, in theory, actually hindi siya in theory. Nakikita natin yung progress on how we learn things. So, ayun So, learning parts lang. And, kung talagang for example, yung ganun katagal, rewarding siya later on ginawang Dark Souls no? The more you parang internalize nyo to really feel the thing is to learn something just sit on the kit, with just you and the kit. Wow, interesting. So ayun siya. So sige, going back sa song song example na Dance in Freedom is something we need to talk about. Like, so sige, so after chorus na, so syempre may bridge tayo. So yung bridge, ang mangyayari is ayun. Ano ulit yung bridge? Did not hold back through it, but Jesus, your life in us. You set us free. Ayun. You say, yun, yung oo, sige. Ano nga ba yung bridge ulit dun? I think I need to recall. Anyway. Basically, from memory na lang to. So, try natin. I think nakuha niyo yung gist ng sinasabi ko. Sana it's just learning, relearning into something very big. So I think yun yung pinaka. Ay wait, check ko nga lang yung